Hey, how's it going, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how to install some mods that aren't necessarily easy to install. They say on the Minecraft forums that they're easy to install, but they can get quite confusing, and you don't really know what order to install them in. This is the exact order you must install each mod in. I'm going to be installing 5 mods today, which is going to be number 1, ModLoader, number 2, AudioMod, number 3, Zombe's Modpack, the latest version of it with 26 mods. 4, TooManyItems, the in-game inventory edit, and number 5, more Creeps and Weirdos version 1.99. These must be installed in this order, otherwise they won't work. If you install Zombe's Modpack, then ModLoader, it probably won't work. The first thing we need to do before anything is you need to go into Start, into Run, type in RUN here, and then click Run at the top. In this bar here, you must type percentage sign, which can be done by holding shift and pressing number 5 while you're doing it, APPDATA, app data, and then holding shift again and pressing number 5 again. Now let's go into app data and press OK, and it will bring you into this folder right here, which is the roaming file. So go into .minecraft, which is at the top, and then go into the bin folder. Now before anything, you want to make a copy of your Minecraft folder. I'm going to delete this because this is one with the mods in. So here is the completely untampered version of the Minecraft jar file. As you can see, it's got meta infinite, so there's no mods installed currently. Do not delete anything yet, just close that and copy it, and simply paste it directly. You make sure this is not highlighted. Paste it directly into the roaming file, into the bin file, and there it is. So if anything does go wrong, you can simply rename that to Minecraft and delete this version. But before that, make sure you back up all of your saves, back up the entire folder, as a matter of fact, in your downloads folder. Here we have, I'm going to delete this first of all. That's better. The resources folder, that should be okay. Now first of all, we want to open up the bin folder. So we want to go to your name, then app data, then roaming, then Minecraft, then bin. That can be done by simply going into run and then going into app data. Make sure you open up Minecraft in either 7-zip or WinRAR. I'm going to be using WinRAR, so open it up in WinRAR. This will pop up. I don't know why this pops up, but we'll just click close. Now I always have my Minecraft jar to the left hand side. Do not delete meta-inf just yet. First we want to install ModLoader, which is this one just here. So double click that and it will open it up in WinRAR. Now this side is going to be ModLoader and this side is going to be WinRAR. Highlight every single one from here. Do not highlight the top folder, otherwise it won't work. Click and drag. Do not let it go into any of these folders, otherwise it won't work. Make sure you let it go over the class files. And here where we have it's basically saying, are you sure you want to move this item into the jar folder? Click OK, and make sure it's on add and replace. Click OK. That will update. Now we can close ModLoader. That is the only thing you need to do on ModLoader. So you can close ModLoader and go back into your downloads folder. And here we need to install AudioMod. The same thing again, double click. This one is quite simple. Simply highlight them all as usual. Drag and drop. Make sure you drag and drop them over the class files. Again, add and replace, OK. As you'll see, it'll have the file here, IBXM, and pause code. Close AudioMod because you don't need it open anymore. The next thing you must install after that is this Modpack version. Make sure it's the latest version. It doesn't matter about this bit so much, but it matters about this bit. This is the updated version so far for Modpack. This is Zombe's Modpack. Open that up again in WinRAR. All the links to these will be in the description in the exact order you need to install them. Now go to the README file. I don't have to do this because I know it off by heart, but I'm going to do it especially for you. Go to installation instructions, which will appear just now. Now if you want to install HD Patcher, you must install that first. We've just installed ModLoader, so that's perfect. Now what we need to do is don't delete them. You can delete them at info if you want to, but I'm not going to do it just yet. First of all, we need to go to the class folder, which is just here. Simple, open up your Minecraft.jar, highlight all of them, drag and drop. Add and replace, that is okay for that. Now for this bit, go into config. Now, if you're following me, go back into your bin folder, go into Minecraft. Now I'm going to wait a minute so you guys can catch up. Now create a new folder and call it mods, M-O-D-S. Now open that folder up, and in that folder, in the mods folder, create a folder called Zombe, not zombie, Z-O-M-B-E. Press enter. Now open that folder as well, so you're in Minecraft, you're in mods, and you're in Zombe. Now go back to your WinRAR archiver, highlight all of the text in here. Now drag and drop this into .minecraft, mods, and Zombe. Now for this to work, you need to at least activate one mod. Double click on config, scroll down very slowly until you get to the mod that you want to activate. I'm going to do flying because it's simple. Here it is. Now to activate the mods, all you have to do is delete this hash key. Press backspace, go to file, go to save. That is all you need to do for ModLoader, for the Modpack. Now what we want to install is, go back on that a second. You do not need to do source, leave this. You've done everything you need to do for Modpack. Now we're going to install TooManyItems, as you can see just here. So for this, we go back to our mods folder, and here we have TooManyItems. This was updated on the 28th of the 5th, 2011. Double click TooManyItems to open it up in the archiver of your choice. Close that again. Now snap it to it. Use the Windows 7 snap feature if you have Windows 7. Again, all you need to do is drag and drop. So highlight all the files, drag and drop. Now click OK to add and replace. Here you have the TooManyItems bar. This is all you need to do for TooManyItems. It's as simple as that. Now go back to your chosen folder for where you have the mods, and double click on, let me just find it, More Creeps and Weirdos, which is More Creeps version 1.99, or whichever version it's updated to now, if you're watching this in a few months' time. Again, snap. What we have to do here is open the README text. Now, you can ignore this first part because all it's doing is basically saying what's in there, what mobs in there. Copy the contents of resources into your resources folder. Now go to your More Creeps WinRAR folder, go into resources. Then do not do anything into this folder right here because you do not need it. Go back to your Zombes folder, go to .minecraft. Are you following me? Okay, you following me? Now we'll read it again. Copy the contents of resources, which is in here, just here, into your resources folder. Now what we have to do is go into resources just here, double click. You might have a file there already. If you don't, it's perfectly fine, but you might do, like I do. Now drag and drop. Now it will say, once it's done loading, it will say, are you sure you want to merge this? Yes. Click yes. Now you'll get the following conflicts. Do this for all current items? Yes. And you'll again get a conflict. Do this for 473 conflicts. Move and replace. Now wait for that to move and replace. Now it says on the document that you must keep the structure, the document structure, .minecraft, resources, mods, mod, sound, and creep sounds. So I'm just going to quickly highlight all that. I'll do it the other way actually because it doesn't really like me doing it like that. Now highlight this, copy, go to your Minecraft folder, delete Minecraft.resources, now paste, enter. Now if this redirects you to your folder, you are doing it absolutely perfectly. Well done, you've caught up, you've stayed caught up with me. Now go back to your .minecraft folder. Now go back to the README text, copy more Creeps and Weirdos and more Creeps text into your Minecraft mods folder. Do not unzip this folder. So go to mods, which is just here. Now go back to your Winrar archiver or your whichever archiver you're using. Go to more Creeps and Weirdos. Click, drag and drop into Minecraft/mods. Do the exact same thing for more Creeps and text. Drag and drop. Done. Now you do not achievement tabs. This is a must. You must install achievement tabs when you are using the more Creeps and Weirdos. You can change the spawn rates, but that's a different thing. Okay, so you can close that now. Now, it automatically comes with achievement tabs. A same thing. Open your Minecraft.jar folder, highlight all of them, drag and drop. Add and replace. Make sure you do not drag and drop into these folders, otherwise you will get black screened. As you can see here, achievement pages 1. Now close more Creeps and Weirdos, and we have successfully installed all that we need to install. The only thing left to do, and this is an absolute vital part, you need to delete meta-inf. What this does is, I don't know what exactly it does personally, but it stops Minecraft working. It stops the mod working. Right click. You should find delete files. There we go. Are you sure you want to delete meta-inf? Yes, I do. Now close your Minecraft.jar. Now we've done everything we need to do. We've got everything installed. Make sure you back up. We still have the backed up Minecraft copy folder, Minecraft copy jar file. Now you do not need to do anything here. Close your Minecraft roaming file. We've done everything we need to do here. So Zombe's Modpack is fine. Now go into your folder. Now open up Minecraft, which I will do very quickly. Go through the usual stuff you have to do. Sorry, I appear to be lagging a bit. So log in. Now providing we've done everything right, you should see the Mojang file. Here it is, the Mojang screen, and Minecraft. And the irresistible, this text is too hard to read if you play the game at the default resolution, but at 1080p it's fine. So now I'm going to go into my world. I'm going to go into my Blue Cloud custom map. Now flying is installed, flying is enabled, so click F, and as you'll see in the corner in a minute, flying is enabled, the top left hand corner. I'm just going to make this go into daytime. I really don't want to get killed by any zombies, oh dear. I'm going to have to do this very quickly. Oh crap. Oh well, I died. What a way to start the episode, oh well. I'm just going to make it daytime. Now press the I button to open up your inventory, edit. And here we have TooManyItems successfully installed. Now for the more Creeps and Weirdos, you may need to do a bit of roaming around. They're not going to be necessarily there straight away. If you're on a large world, they won't be there straight away, definitely. But it's successfully installed. You've now got all the mods you wanted installed, and thank you for watching. So I'm going to go ahead and quit Minecraft. Close the file. So in this tutorial we've installed 1 ModLoader, 2 AudioMod, 3 Zombe's Modpack with 26 mods, TooManyItems, number 4, and number 5 is More Creeps and Weirdos version 1.99. I've been James. You have been absolutely fantastic. If you have any problems or anything, feel free to message me. I have a feeling I'm going to get a few questions, you know. If it doesn't work, simply revert back to your simply delete. If you have any problems, go back into your Minecraft, go back into your bin, delete this, and simply rename this to Minecraft. So delete the copy and rename it to Minecraft, and you'll be fine. And then simply restart this tutorial again. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe if you want any more tutorials, and I will see you guys later.